Alright, now let's go ahead and write our first Python program. Simply type print, all in lowercase, open and close parentheses, and inside these parentheses add quotations. We can either use single quotes or double quotes. Now in between the quotes, write hello world. So this is our first Python program. With this piece of code, you can print whatever you want, including your name, age, address, etc. Now to run this, we'll go to the top under the Run menu and click Run. You can see that it's asking which file it should run. In this case, it's app.py. But before clicking on it, click on the right side of this button and click on Edit. So this window will appear. Now all you have to do is check this box that says Run with Python console. Now click on Apply and then OK. We'll go to the top and click Run. Please note that there is a shortcut associated with this command when we program. You can always use shortcuts because that increases your productivity. Now here on Windows, the shortcut is Shift plus F10. If you have Mac computer, the shortcut is Control Option R. Now you should see this little console window. This is a little window into our program. So here you can see our results for output of our program. As you'll move forward, you'll be able to build applications that have GUI or graphical user interface. Presently, we are going to use this little console window to see the results of our program. So as you can see, Hello World is printed here. As you print code, this window might get in the way, so you can resize it putting this icon here. Okay, so congratulations, this was your first Python program. If you encounter any problem or you have any questions, you're welcome to ask me in the Q&A session.